It has a little bit more water and the mussel is not that cooked that I like. I like to cook the mussel a little bit more and come back for a little bit more minutes. Hello guys, so this is our main ingredients to our Asian cuisine, which is mussel and noodles. So they are fresh. I clean and pick up all the things that need to pick up. So this is our fresh mussels. And meet our ingredients. We have fresh garlic, green chili, it's hot, chili leaves, we have onion spring, and pure tomato, fresh. We have dill, and these are. For the chili leaves, we need to remove this part. This one. We need to remove this one. In Philippines, we use chili leaves in many cooking, especially with chicken, fish, and other meat. Now it's all of them are there, and we have to mix a little bit because we don't want to overcook the noodles. Okay, and I will cover for a while. Now I prepare the oil and add first the onion, no onion, garlic I mean. Now the onion turns into brown. I'll add now the green chili. This is actually hot green chili. After some times, I will add the mussels. And put the fire on volume. All the ingredients are from our garden. The green chili except from the garlic. Except from the garlic and dill. The chili, the green onion, all of them are from our garden. And now I will add the tomato. Tomato also is from our garden. We'll cover for 10 minutes. I will add some salt. Sab the chow. And now I'll cover it. Now we need to check if and now come back and we'll add the green chili leaves. In Philippines, we use green chili leaves in cooking many things like chicken, meat, and some seafoods, mussels as well. It's actually very easy to cook. And now we'll add the dill. I like dill because normally these noodles you need to add lemon, but dill provide the taste of lime or a little bit sour taste. Otherwise, if you don't have dill, you can use lemon. And now I have to add the noodles. This noodles is half cooked, so I have to spend a little bit more minutes mixing them. Now our cooking is ready. It's finished. Look at this. Our mussels. There are a few scallops inside also. Noodles is ready to eat now. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this recipe, and if you are new in my channel, please consider to subscribe my channel, hit the like button, leave your comments, and see you on my next vlog. Thank you.